I'm southbound. Oh no, I got some really nice houses on the other side.
That's at 134.8.
We're at 134.8 on the northbound, but I don't know what. No, I just went under that big arch bridge, and we got the Clark Fire Company out there. Oh yeah, now see, now we're moving southbound. It's chill. Who was Cynthia yesterday? I'm sorry? Yeah, we came to like a dead stop with the stuff on the southbound, but yeah. Now we're moving. So, just so well, it'll be in the newspaper.